Alright guys, without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and here we have it in the deep blue color. As silver didn't speak to me, I definitely do not like orange, so the only color to go with it was deep blue. Now I wanted deep blue because Samsung had that deep blue when they unveiled the S25 Ultra and the Z Fold 7, so I'm hoping it's the same thing. So let's go with the usual unboxing. I don't know why, but everybody seems to love this sound. Okay. And voila. There it is. iPhone 17 Pro Max. So here it is, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue. And we have that two-tone color right here. Now, I haven't seen lots of videos about the aluminum being scratched up very easily, especially with the blue and orange colors, so be really careful with that. Here we have the color. Here's the camera plateau, the 5G antenna band, millimeter wave band up here. Still have the action button on the side. Still have the power button right here, and we still have the camera control button. And how does it feel in the hand? It feels different. You definitely don't feel the titanium frame anymore. It definitely feels a little heavier with that bigger battery and all. There it is. We're gonna power it on and start the transfer. But what do you guys think of the deep blue color? Leave a comment below of what you think. Are you guys getting the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Is it worth the upgrade? I'll let you guys know. I'll leave a video, but this deep blue color is very beautiful. And the phone does feel a little cheaper than the titanium frame, and I'm going to be very careful. I already have a case from CaseCoo. But yeah, this feels nice in the hand. The two-tone, I say it's nice in the hand like 24/7. Sorry about that. But I'm excited to try out the new telephoto camera. That's the really big deal here. I'm excited to hopefully have better battery life. And check out the new dual camera thing that Android's had for years, but mainly just excited about this new telephoto camera and the better battery life, because that's all the difference really is. So yeah, stay tuned for my 24 hours with the iPhone 17 Pro Max camera comparison with the 16 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, as I still have that in my possession. And yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace. Alright, so here's the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I already took the thing off. So, Ceramic Shield 2 should be better with shatter resistance and scratch resistance. On both ends, we have a better anti-reflective coating on here. And I do have an anti-reflective screen protector from Taurus I'll be applying. But yeah, I like the color, looks good. Subscribe to stay tuned for my videos like I said earlier. Alright, peace out for real this time.